In this video, we are going to use the Sekonic C-800 to get the best match between different light sources. We will demonstrate how to match color temperatures as well as compensate for any green or magenta tints. We will unlock the power of XY, and we will also discuss matching saturated Party Gel effects between RGB LEDs or gelled light sources. Let's start with how to match lights using traditional gels. On most shoots, we simply want two light sources to have the same color temperature and no green or magenta tints. First, we need to establish a target or a light source we want to match. The target is the desired color temperature you want a light to be. If your light has a fixed color temperature, then we will get to the target color temperature using gels. This is simple. Select the filter mode icon and make sure the lighting filter is selected, denoted by the light icon. You can switch from lighting filters or camera filters simply by selecting the middle button. Now, let's correct this tungsten balanced light to 5500 Kelvin. Enter the target color temperature of 5500 Kelvin. Take a reading of your light and then see what the meter recommends. CCT tells us the measured light's color temperature. LBI tells us the myriad shift, or how far off the light is from the target color temperature. LBLF tells us how much CTO or CTB filtration we need to get the measured value as close to the target as possible. CCI tells us how many points of correction are needed to correct for a green or magenta shift. Remember, M means you will need to add magenta to correct for a green cast, and G means you will need to add green to correct for a magenta cast. And CCLF will tell us how much minus or plus green filtration is needed to get the lowest CCI possible. Please remember that the gels shown for CCLF and LBLF need to all be used in combination with each other to match your light to the target color temperature. A dashed line means that no correction is needed, or the correction is so minimal that no filter is available. Before we continue, here are some quick tips when it comes to matching lights. Tip 1. By simply selecting the measuring mode, you can do the same steps for strobes. Tip 2. Remember the meter is going to get you the closest match. If two lights have vastly different spectral properties or color rendering properties, they may never be able to achieve a perfect match. Always double check using a camera. You can also use spectral comparison mode on the meter to recall two lights from the meter's memory and overlay them to preview any spectral differences. Now, if you have an adjustable or bicolor LED, the steps are even easier. And the C-800, unlike many of its counterparts, can continuously measure as you dial in your correction. To get the desired target color temperature, simply hold the measure button down while you adjust your light's color temperature, and continue to hold it down while adjusting your light's green and magenta tint to achieve the lowest CCI possible. The meter also has a mode called multi-lights that will allow you to measure up to 4 different lights and select one of those lights as your target to match the other 3 fixtures to. Once in multi-light mode, select A and measure your first light. The options with an asterisk next to them will show up on the comparison screen where we select light A, B, C, or D. Now press close and then yes to save this measurement. Now repeat this step with up to 3 other lights for a total of 4. Once you have other lights saved, you can press the radio button next to the letter you want to correct the other 3 lights to. So if C is selected, you will be given the filtration to get A, B, and D as close to C as possible. Some lights, like the RE Sky panel, give you the ability to match lights using a specific XY chromaticity coordinate. This allows you to dial in a light source based on the CIE 1931 color space. So using the C-800 in text mode, you can change any of these parameters to show XY. You can get the XY chromaticity coordinate of a light source and plug that into your XY compatible light in order to get a match. This is great when needing to match lights in locations you cannot control, or if you need to quickly dial in a saturated hue, such as a light with a party gel. Speaking of party gels, if you are using an RGB LED that doesn't have XY but has HSI or hue and saturation mode, then the C-800 will be your best friend. Using text mode, change any 2 parameters to read hue and saturation. Then take a measurement of the target light source you would like to match. Then actively measure an RGB LED in HSI mode and adjust its hue and saturation numbers to match the light you previously measured as close as possible. Before we continue, here are a few tips when it comes to matching lights in HSI mode. Tip number 1. If the lights show a slight difference when viewed on camera, take a look at their spectrums using spectrum comparison mode. Measure each light and save it to the meter's memory. Then recall the lights from memory in spectrum comparison mode. If the two lights have a different spectral fingerprint, they will never be able to achieve a perfect match on camera, but the meter will get you as close as possible. Some gaffers have even found that when looking to get extreme colors from LED lights, that gelling them in normal CCT mode yields more predictable results and better color rendering. But always test on camera to be sure. Tip 2. When measuring different lights to match, it's best to make sure all other lights are off if possible. Tip number 3. Using a white V-flat and 2 color checkers is a great way to see how closely 2 lights match on camera. This setup allows us to see the color of each light on camera and evaluate what fixtures will match the best. Use the meter's lux or foot candle feature to make sure you have equal brightness, which will affect saturation on camera. Tip number 4. For hue saturation readings, it is best if you can find out the color space in either HSI or HSV and white point of the light in use and enter them in the meter's settings. So in conclusion, the Sekonic C-800 will enable you to get the best match between different light sources. We have learned how to match color temperature as well as compensate for any green or magenta tints. We've unlocked the power of XY and discussed matching saturated Party Gel Effects between RGB LEDs and gelled light sources. Now, during your next production, you will be able to get the best match between light sources with the Sekonic C-800. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who has questions about matching lights.